Charlie. Good. Hello, welcome to Outdoor Kings. In this short film, I'm going to unbox the Winnerwell Fastfold titanium camping stove. Hey, Charlie. Charlie. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, little piece of cardboard, product information, also product information, spark arrestor and chimney. Carry bag, chimney rings, and here the oven itself. I'll put that down away here. This one out here. There it is. There's the top plate. And the oven itself. And that folds that way and that way. Oh, I see. All folds out. Oops. 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 Well, there we have it. For somebody who's never touched one of these before and just literally taken it out of the box, that was pretty simple to put together. Inside the flue you can see the adjuster there, and there's the top. You can see with these clips that it's very simple to assemble. So that's it, that's the unboxing. I'm going to do the first burn as well, but I'm going to need some help to roll the chimney for the first time. Okay, that's how it looks when it first gets unrolled. Gloves on because it's very, very sharp. I've got an extra pair of hands to help, and we've got some of these rings at each end to slip on as we go through it. So let's try. So, yeah, I think if I can lose that, then I can work with this thing. Is that good? Can you hold it there?
Yeah.
you want to get one on your end? So actually, this isn't too bad. I can imagine with two hands, it would be a real game. But I can also see that as soon as you can, get a ring on, because of course that holds what you've done in place. You can see it falls out of shape here, but you can pull it back. Okay, so far so good. We've tried not to crease the metal. Of course over time that's going to happen, but because it's new and it's just come out of the box, we've tried not to deliberately. I don't know whether or not this is the right size yet, whether or not we need to roll it in or out a little bit to fit into the oven itself, but we'll find that out in a minute when we get it close to the oven. But I would say that that was pretty simple. Also because we've got 4 hands. You can clearly see on the spark arrestor it's got these tie down points. I'm sure we'll get to use those at some point. Chimney's made up. Got to get the spark arrestor on, and that that's really simple. Okay, freestanding, the chimney, once it's into the oven, is actually really wobbly. Of course when it goes through your tent it's going to get some support, and there are those clips on the spark arrestor to guide the chimney down, and I can see that that's definitely going to be something that needs to be done. So for the purpose of this first burn-in, we've used this tree to support the chimney because it's really wobbly, so that's no good. Okay, let's get it lit. Put a few twigs and bits in. And there's the titanium changing colour. Over time it'll do that all the way around. And of course the point of this first burn is to let the chimney get the memory of the shape that it's now formed into. Just after a few minutes the fire's really going now, as you can hear, and there's more colour change. That beautiful purpley colour, or whatever you could call it. So as we're burning the oven in, we might just as well get the trusty coffee pot out and get a nice cup of coffee. Okay, as you can see, the bluing is happening now all over the titanium, so I guess it's getting well warmed up. I'm going to leave it now to burn for a little bit longer. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's given you some more information about the Winnerwell titanium stove. I look forward to taking this out into the field soon enough, and actually I've got a new tent to show you as well that I think it's going to fit in. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon on a new film.